So another little Pavement cafe here. Yeah, I was just talking about Molly Malone's there. Looks fabulous. Yeah, that girl in the window's just turned away. She obviously doesn't want to be on video. An Irish bar right in the middle of Graz city centre. Then all these little cafes and bars. I do like this place, you know. It's got a nice, friendly vibe about it. Yeah, it's chilled. It looks like it's not too, you know, it's not too commercialised and busy. I do like it. So I'm just going to get my bearings, see where we are, do a time check for the train station. And look at that, there's another Irish bar. Falcara Irish Pub, established 2023, so that one looks as if it's shut, but it's probably going to be open later on. Cambrino's Keller. So it's somebody's cellar, Cambrini's cellar. So what's this? I've got to walk down here. Quiet alley. Where does it lead? I've got no clue. But I've got to walk. I really must take more photographs, you know. I just wish my camera would bloody work on the iPhone. But it's all getting too hot. So come out the other end. I've no idea where I am. Maybe time for a coffee and get my bearings somewhere. Oh, I'm back here. I'm back at this big square where this building was. So it just shows you go wandering. You have no idea where you are, where you're going, but you always end up back in the same place. There's one of the trams, there's plenty of trams about, they've been regularly coming and going. So I'm going to find somewhere for a coffee, try and get my head a bit straighter, and then we'll pick it up at the other end. So hopefully you're hanging in there, and you're still watching after all this time. And if you are, you're an absolute superstar. And if you're not, well, you won't ever see this bit, so it doesn't really matter. So I'm going to find a coffee bar, somewhere I can sit in the shade and have a nice cappuccino somewhere. There's got to be somewhere nearby. So we'll pick up again after I've had a cappuccino. So I've just been walking down this wee alley here. Noticed some chairs sitting outside. And then you get down to the end here, and it's an Italian. Just an Italian restaurant in the middle of a square. Look at this. Buongiorno. Fantastic Italian.
Thank you.
Italian restaurant.
Grazie.
Get yourself in. The guys will look after you.
It's really good.
Really good. Can you do just a cappuccino?
Of course.
Yeah, I would. A cappuccino? Yeah.
I will, yeah.
I will sit in the shade. Thank you. Thank you. Yeah. Yeah, YouTube.
How you put the... But maybe you can make one video more, but I will bring you first the
Yeah, I'll get a cappuccino, yeah. Yeah. Yeah, just going to grab a cappuccino and have a seat.
Yeah, I will.
See, it's not all alcohol all the time. Look at the state of my hair with my cap being on. Sometimes it's just nice to sit in the shade with a coffee. There we go. Nice cappuccino there. Just take the edge off. Is that okay? So yeah, just heading to the train station back to where we started. And I know I haven't covered all of Graz in detail. I did have a plan. I mean, look at, just off the side. I wish I had more time here. It just looks fantastic. Right up these wee alleyways. And then you see absolute gems tucked away here. Yeah, so I'm just heading to the train station now because I think my daughter's flight has landed. I think that all looks fantastic. A sign on there, Sky Sports. So there's obviously a wee bar up there and a Guinness sign. That must be an Irish bar. So it's worth a walk to have a look, isn't it? Let's see. Flan O'Brien. Irish pub. I mean, that's a big pub. Is it open? Is it one of your regulars? Don't you know if it's open at the minute? Maybe it's closed. Maybe it just opens at night time, I don't know. So according to that, it should be open, but there's no sign of life, so maybe it's closed at the minute. Anyway, back to the train station, see what we can film on the way. I'm just looking at this delicatessen here. Look at the work that's gone into that sign in the past. You know, all of those letters have been cut out, and I'll bet that was done long before the days of computers. And even Flan O'Brien, you know, all these hand-cut letters and stuck on the wall. Bit of craftsmanship. Now it's all just done by computer. Somebody types on a keyboard and prints it all out in a 3D printer. It just doesn't seem the same, does it? Maybe it's just me. As I say, there's no halt in progress. I think I've mentioned that several times before in previous videos. So yeah, I'm just going to make my way back to the train station. But every corner you turn, you know, there's just more and more of these little pavement cafes. I better get across the road here. Don't want to get knocked down. Yeah, so pavement cafes everywhere. It's one thing Europe does really, really well, is somewhere to sit outdoors. But of course they can, because of the weather. Glasgow tries, but sadly the weather lets it down. So is he selling teddy bears? Or is he just using them as a prop to get people to go, ah? So this is this big blue alien that we've seen from up the top there. Up when we were up at the Schlossberg, I think it was called. So this is the Kunsthaus Graz. The big blue alien, people call it. Why would you do that? Why would you build such an odd building next to all these traditional old buildings? Aren't building regulations odd? Look at it. It's a weird big, odd looking building built right in the city centre. I suppose it's a talking point, isn't it? And that's what you need to do. You need to get people wanting to come and visit places, because there's things out of the ordinary. If it was all just the same, then nobody would come. So it's not a very big city. It's definitely a walkable city. it's definitely a place that you can walk around and see most of it. And I know I haven't even scratched the surface on this series of videos, but hopefully it gives you a wee taste of what Graz is like. We're obviously going to be going out tonight for our dinner somewhere, no idea where. No doubt my daughter Katrina has already been googling and found a place that somewhere nice we can go for dinner. And if not, we'll just wing it. We'll just wing it and we'll see where we end up. So let's just see how we're doing. The phone came back online there, so I've just texted her to see if she's landed yet.